Assalamualaikum dear students, welcome to Active Learners Point. Welcome in the maths class. This class is for standard first semi English Urdu. तो प्यारे बच्चों, ये क्लास स्टैंडर्ड फर्स्ट के सेमी इंग्लिश उर्दू के तुलबा के लिए है. आर यू रेडी टू लर्न मैथ्स विथ फन? लेट्स लर्न मैथ्स विथ फन. तो चलिए सबसे पहले चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करते हैं, बेल आइकन को दबाते हैं, वीडियो को लाइक करते हैं और शेयर करते हैं. सो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, वी आर गोइंग टू लर्न न्यू कंसेप्ट टुडे. नियर, फार. व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय नियर एंड फार? आई विल शो यू. नियर मीन्स नज़दीक, करीब. फार मीन्स दूर. Look at this picture. This puppy is looking bigger because it is near, and this puppy is looking smaller because it is far. Near, far. N-E-A-R, near. F-A-R, far. The spelling of near is N-E-A-R, near. F-A-R, far. Learn and remember the spelling of near and far. Understood? Very good. See the next picture. This house is near and this house is far. This house is looking bigger because it is near, and this house is looking smaller because it is far. So dear students, look this next picture. How many children are there? There are 2 children. Who is near? The boy is near and the girl is far. Boy is near and the girl is far. Near, far. Understood? Very good. So dear students, let's solve some examples of your textbook page number 70. So take out your textbook page number 70. Look at this picture. How many animals are there? There are 2 animals. One is elephant and second is lion. Which animal is near? Elephant is near and lion is far. Near, far. Understood? Very good. See the next picture. Look at this girl. She is Rama. She has 2 toys. One is car and another is doll. Which toy is near Rama? The car is near to Rama and the doll is far from Rama. The car is near to Rama and the doll is far from Rama. So write down car here and write down doll here. The car is near Rama and the doll is far from Rama. Understood? Very good. See the next picture and answer the given questions. Who is the nearest to the well? In this picture, the woman is taking out the water from the well and the boy is standing near the woman. So, who is nearest to the well? The woman is nearest to the well. Who is the farthest from the well? Man or dog? The dog is farthest from the well. Understood? Very good. Write down woman here and dog in this box. Understood? Very good. So we will meet in the next video. Thanks for watching.